Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Kaleem Car and Gadgets. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on the latest reviews and gadget updates. Today, I've got something super useful for your kitchen that's going to change the way you prep your meals, so let's dive right in. Today, we're checking out the original Pro Chopper. This amazing kitchen tool is making waves on TikTok, and there's a good reason why. It's designed to make chopping, slicing, and dicing your veggies super quick and easy. Whether you're making a fresh salad or prepping ingredients for dinner, this chopper does it all in no time. What I love about this chopper is its heavy-duty, rust-resistant blades. Made from 420 stainless steel, the blades retain their razor-sharp edge to give you clean and smooth cuts every time. You can chop everything from potatoes and tomatoes to cucumbers and carrots without breaking a sweat. It's perfect for anyone looking to eat healthier but is short on time. The chopper comes with a soft grip handle that's made from long-lasting TPU, giving you better control while you chop. And thanks to the non-skid rubberized bottom, this BPA-free chopper stays firmly in place on any surface, wet or dry, so you won't have to worry about it slipping. Overall, the Fullstar Pro Chopper is a must-have for anyone who spends time in the kitchen. It's versatile, easy to use, and makes meal prep a breeze whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this review helpful. If you're interested in checking out the Pro Chopper, the link is in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.